everybody, it's Monday, and that can only mean one thing. It's Monday Show and Tell, and today's topic is out and about. So basically today what we want you to do is go out and about, out of your sewing room, go for a walk and look for the patterns of life. Okay, so any sort of patterns that you would normally probably just walk past, but have a look at them and see if they inspire you for a quilt or for a sewing project or something along those lines. So that's what we're asking you to do today, is just get out and about, have a look for the patterns and see what inspires you, and then come back and share it with us. So basically, I often go for a walk in the mornings. I haven't done recently, and it's not at the right time of year, but I've always looked at the trees at the bottom of my street in the autumn time, when they start to lose their leaves. So they are actually, I think they are oak trees at the bottom of our street, and they have some beautiful shaped leaves in the autumn time, and they're just gorgeous, and we really do love them. And so they've always inspired me. Now, it was probably about 18 months ago, I was in what you would call a dollar shop or a $2 shop or something along those lines, and I came across some leaves in a packet. And you can see here, they're all sort of autumn colours, and these have been sitting in my drawer for many months now, waiting for me to make a quilt with it. And my idea of a quilt that I'm going to make with it, which I will probably do a post in our Facebook group once I get it done, was actually just have a nice background and then have these sort of cascading down the quilt and to the edge of the quilt, and using the colors of these leaves, which you can see they're just absolutely gorgeous. There's some green ones as well, and these are the actual shapes that the leaves are off that tree. So when I seen them, I thought, oh my god, I've got to grab them. They were like $2 and there's 50 leaves in them, and I grabbed a couple of packets. So basically, after receiving this topic, and I put it on our blog as well as in the Facebook group, after Sarah gave us this topic, I thought, perfect. I can actually, it has given me the motivation to make the quilt. So you'll have to keep an eye out in the Facebook group over the next couple of weeks of what I end up doing with it. And yeah, and I'm going to have it so it's like it's almost like, looks like a cascading waterfall of autumn leaves. And because we're going into autumn here, or fall as our US friends call it, as we're going into autumn here, I thought it would be a perfect opportunity for me to do this as a little project just for me on my wall. So that's our topic for today. If you would be kind enough to get out and participate in this would be really good, and it'd be lovely to see some of the areas that you live in. So yeah, so as usual, comment in the post down below. This is for our Facebook group, but we're not limiting just to our Facebook group. It's also for our YouTube channel viewers as well. Okay, so if you can't leave a picture or anything and you don't want to join our Facebook group, that's fine. You can leave a comment and describe what you see and what you feel and what you get from your walk and the patterns of life that you see. So as always, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. We do this every Monday and it's a lot of fun. And if you would like to join our Facebook group, it is linked up down below. So hit that link and it'll scoot you on over and we can approve your request to join. My name's Nicole Reid for Divinely Designs. Thank you very much for joining us today for Monday Show and Tell, and I can't wait to see your responses. See you next time, everybody. Bye for now.